biology, but I haven't seen a system which works better within the system of neurology.
Now, I would request some Indian doctor, like Dr. Nigam will tell you his experience, and then Dr. Talwar can tell his own experience. They are doctors, so you'll believe them more.
Suppose,
But there is one more thing I would like to tell you, that supposing, I mean, we are saying you don't have to pay money, you don't have to do anything, nothing of the kind. So, the proof, what is it needed for? What I'm saying, when we are not asking for money or anything, it's all right. We buy any medicine, take it without knowing the proof about it. But here, we are not taking any money, we are not doing anything. It's all right, if you want to know the proof, we'll give you. But actually, attitude, I'm saying, just see, what's your attitude? Bataiye. Now here we have two eminent doctors. He is a surgeon from Lucknow, Dr. Nigam.
Her Holiness Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi, dear friends, here is a man standing before you who was once a very great successful private practitioner, medical private practitioner. And in the year 1980, all of a sudden while he was shaving, he had a very severe paralytic stroke. Within 2 minutes, a normal human being becomes a cabbage. Since I was a medical doctor, I was immediately rushed to All India Institute of Medical Sciences, where I was treated for 1.5 months in medical institute. They could not diagnose why I suffered with it. And then I carried on to go for my physiotherapy for 13 months regularly every day, which is on the record. Being a medical man, I knew now that there is no way out by which I could become a normal man. At that time, I was on crutches. I could not eat anything because my tongue was paralyzed. I could not speak properly because my tongue and lips were paralyzed. And on this earth, the truth is this, I was just like an animal. Just like, I had nothing left in my life because being a medical man, I knew that now I'm not going to improve at all. Since there are doctors here, and you great journalists are here, I simply want to inform you, in medical science, if somebody suffers with paralysis, he definitely gets improved, he gets cured. But in first 6 months of the attack, my case starts, my recovery starts after 13 months of my stroke. While I was told by somebody that you try Sahaj Yoga. In the beginning I did not believe it, but the day I met Shri Mataji, I knew that this is a truth. And from that day on, I am standing before you. I travel a lot just to tell everybody that this Sahaj Yoga science is much, much greater science than what we are taught in medical colleges. Believe it, this is the beginning of the highest science on earth. Medical science, I simply give you one example, just very single example. Professor Rai is sitting here. He was the head of the department of Maulana Azad Medical College. He was the professor of physiology. His wife was suffering with migraine for the last 20 years. And all these doctors, they were giving her 4 tablets of compose 3 times a day. 12 composes were given to his wife every day. Look, he is one of the best medical doctor, at least in India, one of the. And he could not cure his wife. He had all the facilities and amenities with him, but nobody could cure her. And when she joined Sahaj Yoga, she has been cured. What I have to inform you very humbly, sir, don't believe me. I give an open offer to all of you, with the permission of my mother, Shri Mataji. I live in Delhi. If any of you or your relation is suffering with migraine, a very simple thing. Migraine means aadhe sar ka dard. Any of you is suffering, you come to me, nothing is charged. we will work on you and see the results yourself. I throw a challenge to medical science also, to the doctors also. Can they cure this disease? Migraine, no. Nobody can cure. But you bring to us, if we are able to cure you, then you believe us. Thank you very much.
अब देखिए इन्होंने कह दिया है तो सब बीमारों को लेकर मत आइएगा, मैं आपसे विनती करती हूँ, क्योंकि जो लोग सुदृढ़ हैं, जो ठीक हैं, फिजिकली ठीक लोग हैं, वो तशरीफ लाएं और खुद ही डॉक्टर बन जाइए। आप लोग खुद डॉक्टर बन सकते हैं, आप खुद क्योर कर सकते हैं। कोई जरूरी नहीं कि आप मेडिकल में कोई बड़े प्रवीण हो, कोई जरूरत नहीं, मेडिकल की तो जरूरत ही नहीं है। आप ऐसे ही, क्योंकि आपके उंगलियों पे ही आप जान सकते हैं कि कौन सी चक्र खराब है, और आप खुद ही सबको ठीक कर सकते हैं। लेकिन होता क्या है कि जैसे ही कह दीजिए बीमारी ठीक होती है तो समझ लीजिए 200-300 आदमी आके खड़े हो गए, साहब हमें बीमारी ठीक करी। बेहतर यह है कि आप लोग सब डॉक्टर हो जाइए। हैं तो आप प्रेस वाले, लेकिन डॉक्टर आप हो सकते हैं आसानी से, और डॉक्टर होकर के आप लोगों को खुद ही ठीक कर सकते हैं। अपने सारे कार्य में आप बहुत कुछ अग्रसर हो सकते हैं, क्योंकि इससे जो एक तरह का आप कहना चाहिए डायनामिज्म इंसान में आ जाता है, जिस तरह से वो शांत हो जाता है, वो हर चीज को इतनी सुंदरता से जानता है। अब हमारे लंदन में आप सोचिए इतनी ज्यादा बेकारी है, लेकिन एक भी सहयोगी बेकार नहीं, मुश्किल से बेकार नहीं। और जितने लोग सहज में आए उनकी इतनी प्रगति हो गई, इसमें कोई ये बात नहीं कि उनको पैसा मिल गया, पर क्योंकि उनकी सारी चित्त की जो स्थिति थी इतनी अच्छी हो गई कि वो कहां से कहां पहुंच गए सब, हर मामले में। अब ये तो माँ का ऐसा तरीका होता है कि बच्चों को कैस्टर ऑयल देना हो तो भी उसमें चॉकलेट डाल के देती है, पर हम चॉकलेट पे ही चॉकलेट डाल के आपको बता रहे हैं। आइए डॉक्टर से, ये डॉक्टर तलवार है, इनसे बातचीत करिए।
पूजनीय श्री माता जी, too long and too far we are used to standing behind the mic and talking. Your Holiness, at your feet I only picked up one thing, that there is something like what is known as the language of vibrations, and that is what is learnt in Sahaja Yoga. My friend here, one of them asked the proof in the laboratory about cure for cancer and for diseases. I want to put to you in all humility, the best proof is, and the best lab is the individual who is suffering from the trouble. It is actually the experience which one goes through with the practice of Sahaja Yoga and bringing yourself into a balance that you literally find a chemical and a neurological balance occurring within the body, which ultimately brings your well-being and brings you into the balance of ease, taking away your disease. I only want to share with you my own experience. It's now 40 years I practice in medicine as an obstetrician gynecologist, and ultimately gave it up because I found the futility of only following the laboratory, because the best lab is within me. And I find that if my lab works properly, the effect of it is felt on the others also. It's actually correct when you say the proof of the pudding lies in its eating. Not by the other's experience, but you're eating the pudding yourself. Till you have the experience of Sahaja Yoga, it is very difficult for you to appreciate, I may be pardoned if I say this, to appreciate the real, true meaning of Sahaja Yoga. If I tell you my experience, it is mine, but I'll still put it before you. I was proclaimed as a case of essential hypertension and tried as a guinea pig by my doctor friends for a number of years till I became a victim of medicine. So much so that the anti-hypertensive drugs which are given to me gave me more trouble than the disease itself. Ultimately, thanks to Mother and thanks to the practice of Sahaja Yoga, I have not taken a medicine for 9 years now, and my blood pressure seems to be fairly balanced. I can also share this, that my wife is also here, who was suffering from what is called as a polyarthritis, had become practically a cripple. And again, being a doctor's wife, also was a guinea pig of so many medical friends. And she went through, I should say, more hell in the process of treatment than the disease itself. But ultimately, through Sahaj Yoga, thanks to Mother, she is sitting right here and she looks very healthy and she is full of cheer and laughter, which seem to have eluded our family for a long time. And the last thing is, I underwent 4 operations on my eyes, and at one juncture they said that my degenerative changes in the eyes had started and soon I shall go blind. This was about 12 years ago. Thanks to Sahaj Yoga, I even drive my car at night. I can only say these are very small experiences, but very valid as far as the individual is concerned. In all humility, I say, friends, this is a subject you should take it along with you. We need the media to spread something which is positive and not just give the news which sadden us in the morning. Thank you very much.
Hamid, will you please come? This is Dr. Hamid, who is an expert on agriculture. He was a UN advisor to different countries for agriculture. And he will tell you how Sahaj Yoga can help agriculture. You are a real seeker, I must say, sir. He's a real seeker of truth. This is a very good question, very heartening. I'll tell you, it will work out in no time. अभी हो जाएगा आपका मामला, ऐसे बैठे बैठे. हाँ.
Sure, Mataji. Ladies and gentlemen, my duty is a little bit different as the older people.
Now you go near the thing.
My duty is a little bit different as the older people who was talking you beforehand. They are dealing with a human, and the human can speak and tell what is wrong with me, and the people can cure them and think about it. What can I do for these people? But my subject is in agriculture, and my specialty is in wood. And trees couldn't speak and couldn't tell what is wrong with me. We have to have some understanding and to understand the trees. And if we use vibrated water, which produced by Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, and through her vibration, and we use this vibrated water in a wood, in a forest, or in a farm, not only we increase our crops, but we get a very healthy wood, and through this, very good and nice environment. Thank you very much.
10 times आपका क्रॉप बढ़ सकता है वाइब्रेशन से, और इतना बड़ा